and welcome to this week's Flash Friday Finance Update. Today, you've got myself, Caitlin Holmes, and also the lovely Ali Taylor. We're both finance brokers with the Property Education Company, and we're just wanting to talk to you about what to do if your mortgage repayments are feeling too high at the moment. We've been speaking to a lot of clients past week, and it's sort of a common theme, isn't it, Ali?
Yes, exactly.
Yeah. So we were just saying what you can do. I mean, obviously, the first step is please come and talk to us, talk to your finance broker, because we can look at lots of different strategies to reduce your monthly repayments, such as looking at potentially refinancing your existing mortgage over a longer loan term, which brings your monthly repayments down and helps a little bit. We can also try and look at what interest rate you're on presently and see if there are any lower interest rates out there at the moment. We could look at potentially consolidating your other commitments. So you've only got one repayment as opposed to having a car loan repayment, a personal loan repayment, school fees repayment, perhaps just consolidating your debts into your mortgage so that it does reduce your monthly outgoings. And the other thing is we still have a few lenders that are offering $2,000 or $3,000 cash back to refinance to them. So that's another thing which is good and covers the few fees as well as gives you a little bit extra in your pocket, which is always nice.
Yes, exactly. I'm actually coming off my own fixed rate personally in a couple of weeks. So me and my husband, we've just been reviewing our finances and all our living expenses and our current outgoings. So we've had to set up a little budget and juggle a few things around. We've looked at reviewing all our outgoings and just seeing where we can cut costs. And a couple of things we've done is we've cancelled any subscriptions that we don't use. You kind of don't realize when you add on $10 here, $10 there, they all add up. We've also contacted our insurances and we've got some better rates there. And also we've contacted our utilities and we've been able to get a discount there.
That's great. It's always good to shop around and see if they can actually offer you a bit better than what the renewal premium or the bills say, isn't it?
Exactly. And there's also some other things that you can look at doing, such as Uber Eats. I guess people don't realize how much they spend on Uber Eats and going out, eating out. So there's a couple other ways that you can save money. Gambling and Tats Lotto, they're, I guess, obvious ones that not really necessary. And they're just some ways that you can save some money to put towards your loan repayments. And also another thing, don't just buy the first thing you see. So shop around for purchases. Another thing is such as rewards programs, like I'm signed up to the Woolworths Everyday Rewards program. So here on the odd occasion, I'll get a $10 discount off my order. So it's just tapping those things like that when you can. It all helps. $10 here, $10 there. Another suggestion you had, Caitlin, was
Yeah, I've been having a look because my car chews through the petrol. So I've been looking at the petrol. It's called petrolspy.com.au. And basically, it just brings up a little map of all the petrol prices at the different petrol stations around where you are at the moment. So it'll show you if one station's a bit cheaper. The other day, I saved 50 cents a litre on petrol because one station hadn't put their prices up and they were still under $2 and everywhere else was $2.50. So I was like, okay, we're going there as opposed to the convenient one around that's slightly closer.
exactly. I guess another couple of things you can do is cancel your Afterpay or Pay Now subscriptions. You tend to spend more if you've got things like that or credit cards, just because you don't have to pay it yet, but you will have to pay it eventually. And another good one, Caitlin, is going out on the special nights. So tired ass Tuesdays or happy hours or when kids eat free. We're not saying you don't have to go out ever. Just make some smarter decisions. It's about when to go out and go in these happy hours and when the kids eat free.
Yeah, awesome. Great ideas. Thanks for that, Ali. We'll have a fantastic weekend, everyone, and we'll catch you next time.